Ooh, I'm about to blow your mind. So there's a feature here on TikTok where you can actually gather leads directly inside of your profile. So if you take a look at my profile, you'll actually see, here it comes here, there's a learn more button. When you click on this learn more button, it'll take you to this form where you can actually fill out this form if you are interested in a consultation with me. Let me show you how this works. The next time you record a video, I want you to try something. When you actually go into your TikTok profile here, and I'll show you here, go into your TikTok profile, and I want you to actually record your video as you normally would do. Say your thing, whatever it is that you're saying, and then I want you to click on the little link button. There, you will actually be able to put a form inside of your videos. Inside of your last frame where you would type your description normally, you can go down to the bottom, you can click on where it says links, and you can click on get leads. Now you actually have to set this up beforehand, so you can set up get leads if you need a full step-by-step tutorial on how to do that. Then I will go ahead and create a tutorial and I'll put it on my tutorials page. You can click the link in the bio to get that. But you click on get leads, and from there you can start to gather leads on each one of the videos that you post here on TikTok. Like, that's all you have to say to me. Like, I'm ready. Like, where are we going to gather? How are we going to gather these leads from the videos? That's what we want. Go ahead and share this and let everyone know Joss Speaks Digital showed you how to do it. Peace.